Hi guys, this day is going to be the title day and we're going to play today. See? So we've got these ones on my birthday. You see? Look at them. They're the same ones. Yeah. We need to add a roof on top. Wait, we need two bricks. Two bricks. Two bricks. 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 Wait, let me show you the shape. Look at this shape. It's so cool.
Wow.
Yeah, can I build that?
Yeah, sure. First, let's get all the colours separate.
Wait, can I add Wow. Can I get the children in? I want to get the children in. There. Yeah, good. So this one should be at the bottom and this one should be at the top. Then we need to get one more for this one. Don't worry. I'll get mine. Yeah, one for this one. Mama, can I have one more of these? Babies. Wait. Can you open this one? Open. Hey, what are you building?
Maybe a house.
Yeah, I'm getting the children in this house. Maybe Sky loves this one. Close the gate. Hey, what's that? I'll open that up. Wait. You see? Look at that. Now you're in. I'm helping. Wait, just stand over there. Hey, what's going on with your house? Can I help?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I use this here? Sure. Give me chosen. Oh, she's here.
Hmm.
Oh no. Lots of little tents. We're going to make yards of tents. Yards of tents. Yards of tents. Yachts of tents. Ten. Huh? Look, are you making the... Wait, are you building upstairs? Are you building upstairs one?
Oh.
Okay.
Do you want to make some?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Okay.
Wow. Go, another one.
Upstairs.
This one on here, Daniel.
Yeah, but I have to do something. Here, we're building a whole house. High one. Hi. Wait, can I build one of these ones? Here, good. Yes. Oh no. Can you fix it? Let's fix it and fix.
Should we do it together?
Fix. This is going to be the toppest in the world. Hey! Thank you for watching. See you later.